Today we're gonna fit 35s on our 6th Gen 4Runner. So we just got our ReadyLift kit installed and it gives us an extra 2.5 inches of clearance. So the current tire size on here right now is a 265, 70, 18, and we're gonna transfer over to a 35 with 17-inch rims. So this is a 35 by 12.5 Yokohama Geolander mud terrain tire. So in order to fit the 35s, we needed some extra clearance, so that's why we did the ReadyLift. It gives us an extra 2.5 inches. We're gonna go ahead and take the wheel off, and there's a crash plate back here that needs to be removed so that the wheel can actually turn. All right, so next we got to get our mud flap off and get some of these trim pieces away so we can get access to this crash bar to remove it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start by taking out 4 clips right here. There's one located on the top of your mud flap, and then 3 on this carpet piece back here. Next, you're gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver, and that's for these 2 screws right here. So you just wanna pop it off the front after you do that, and then there's another screw on the bottom side that's also a Phillips head that will remove this. Screw is just located right here on the bottom. Okay, so these are the 2 pieces you'll remove. Your mud flap, and then this carpet shroud. Okay, so next we have to remove this crash bar system right here. So it'll be a bolt here, 2 bolts down here, a bolt here, and then a bolt sunk in down there. Okay, so we'll start by removing the bolts on this front piece right here. Come out pretty easy. Next, we'll take off this piece. You're gonna start by taking this bolt out from right here down at the bottom. And then lastly, this bolt right up here through this window, you will need an extension. And again, all it does is just lift up and then come straight off. So now you'll see with those 2 removed, how much more clearance we have. The reason we're doing this is for when the wheel itself turns, this gives us more radius. All right, so now we're ready to put the new wheel and tire on. We're gonna get it all set on, and then we'll just repeat that process on every wheel. Okay, so on the rear, all we need to remove is this mud flap. So Toyota and Toyota Fashion is going to make it difficult on us. We have 2 Phillips heads right here to take it off, as well as a 10mm on the back. Run, Jordan, run. So we got them on the passenger side. We're going to repeat the same process on the driver's side, and then we'll show you guys the result. Okay, so as many of you know, when it comes to bigger wheels, you got to cut. So now let's tape off, cut the front, because that's the only thing that's gonna need to be cut. It's just a little portion. I'll show you right now. So basically we're gonna go from the corner of this right here, come down on a straight line, and then follow this body line right here, go all the way down to the end of this, and cut straight back in. So it's just this little rectangular shape will come off. So now we're just gonna go ahead and cut the other side, take it up to CBI first thing in the morning.